Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essentials. Pick a machine with reliable power and 4+ GB RAM because stability matters. Install your chosen OS, Debian or True NAS, so you get predictable updates and ZFS support. Once done, partition disks and create a dedicated pool. This isolates data and improves recovery. Make sure to configure a static IP and enable SSH now, since remote installation saves time. Early decisions on RAID and caching affect performance and redundancy later, so choose deliberately. Next, configure your storage layer. Create a ZFS pool or LVM volume, enable compression for SSDs, and set appropriate mount options. Then install your service stack, Nextcloud for full feature sync or Min.io for S3 compatibility, so you control APIs and clients. Once done, create users and quotas to prevent a single account from filling the array. Make sure to provision HTTPS with Let's Encrypt and configure firewall rules. Secure defaults prevent exposure. Finally, test upload. To finish, automate routine tasks. Schedule ZFS snapshots, offsite rsync backups, or replication to a secondary server so you recover from disasters. Deploy monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana, or simple scripts to alert on disk, CPU, and network issues. This prevents surprises. Once done, configure automatic updates with manual hold windows to avoid mid-transfer reboots. If things go wrong, check system logs, rebuild the pool, and reattach failed drives. This single troubleshooting tip often restores service quickly. Finally, validate recovery periodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.